GM, everyone. Welcome back to another GC Crypto episode. Just the two of us today after a banging show yesterday with Kix and Eli. Massive shout out to both of them for joining us. And we do have another guest tomorrow as well, which we'll talk about at the end of the show. But Craig, GM to you. Lovely Thursday. No, it's sun shining, mate. People are worried on the timeline. Gets me a little bit bullish because I maybe get to buy some low charts soon. How are you doing this fine Thursday morning, mate?
G'day, Greeny. G'day, everyone. GG. Yeah, look, nice sunny day here today. Life is good. I woke up and checked Twitter as I normally do when I wake up, and I thought Bitcoin might have been at 74,000 for a moment, man. The way people were freaking out. And I saw people saying comments like, first 20% pullback on abstract memes. It's not over yet. And I was thinking, holy fuck, my port must be fucked. I'm on it, and it's down like...
I'm down $3,000 out of $60,000.
Yeah, it's like 5% or something. I'm like, 5% on Memecoins is like a holiday, man. After I saw the timeline, I jumped on TradingView and on Deck Screener to see what the damage was. And I don't actually see much damage. In fact, you and I were talking offline, and I said, when I saw those messages, I was like, fuck, I've got to go buy. Yeah. And I've gone and checked the charts, and I sort of still feel like I can't buy. It's still a bit high. So I don't know what everyone's freaking out about, but I kind of wish we were a bit lower, to be honest, because I feel we're kind of just in that midway zone, and I don't really like the idea. I mean, I think buying here is not bad, but I think perhaps we could see a little bit lower. But, man, I don't know, bro. That 117 Bitcoin's holding on strong, bro.
Yeah, and we'll talk about that today because obviously yesterday was a bit more focused on the broader market, but today we can really take a look at the charts per se. Now, there's a few charts that really are probably the important charts at the moment. So we'll dive straight in. So GM to everyone who's tuning in, and thanks for watching. We do this every day, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 9 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time if you're over here in this side of the world. Anyways, let's crack on. But this is probably the most important chart for me actually in the moment, and that's total crypto market cap. What we have here is a retest of the sort of previous two all-time highs of this in December last year and also January this year. Right now, we are retesting this after breaking above. We did bounce from it. When was that? A week ago. But we are now back at this level. And if we do look at higher time frames, let's see where the momentum is. We are overextended on literally all the time frames. So pressure to the downside would suggest, except for the monthly, we do have momentum for the higher. So this is a big level for me, Craig, because if we do lose, say, between the 3.65 and about the 3.7-ish trillion mark, we probably do come back down a little bit, back towards 3.4. So that would actually see the majority of assets pull back about another 10% cumulatively across the board. That's the first chart that I think is very important for other people to understand is if we can hold this level, that's probably maintaining sort of medium-term bullishness. The second chart we need to have a look at is BTC dominance. Now, it is also pumping again. It actually has set a higher low there. So that is a structure change from bearish here back to bullish momentum. It would need to therefore take out these highs here, and then we could actually see it back towards 64%. So this still remains a big level because we are closing. Oopsies, didn't mean to do that. We are closing below 62%, which is that sort of pivot that I would start to say, okay, if we can reclaim this and do something like that, then yeah, it looks like BTC is probably holding up again. And the thing that you need to remember with BTC dominance, guys, is it doesn't necessarily mean that BTC is going to outpace to the upside. It also means that if we do see a pullback, BTC is holding up better than your altcoins and your meme coins. So a lot of people need to understand that BTC dominance fluctuates both up and down, right? And so you need to understand that that's, okay, well, is the market correcting, but BTC is holding up well compared to it? Or is the market correcting and BTC dominance is going down? That means that your Ethereums, your Solanas, and all your alts and memes are going to be holding up better during that correction. So those are the sorts of things you need to think about. I saw Easy mention this morning that the dollar is showing a lot of strength. So this is another very important chart for me, is actually the dollar. Now, traditionally, if we zoom out a bit onto the weekly, this was an area in 2020 that we saw the dollar reject from this sort of $100 mark, and BTC went on a crazy run over that period of 300 days. Now, we have seen it break below there, but we are now back retesting that previous support as resistance. So if we do actually bounce from this area and reclaim this, then yeah, that probably puts a bit of pressure back on crypto and just general sort of risk on assets across the board. So there's the three probably most important charts for me at the moment, Craig, across the board. And then obviously just before we did go not live on YouTube, I should be live on YouTube. Let me check. I am not live on YouTube. What the hell?
Maybe they cut you for demonetization of music, Greeny. They finally got you.
Bro, what is happening here? Why am I not live? It literally says I'm live on YouTube.
I don't know. I wonder if I...
Waiting. It says it's waiting, but it hasn't started. But there's people chatting. My chat started, but it says waiting for July. What is going on, bro?
Is the date wrong?
Look at this. Look, it says waiting for July 31st, 9 a.m. It's July 31st, 9 a.m. My chat's going off.
Your chat's going off. Where the fuck are you, Greeny?
I don't know. These are people in the chat. Dude, what?
What? Where are you on here?
Why is it not live, bro? Dude, I think I am in a bit of a YouTube.
Oh, yeah, I see. Yeah, it's just a holding pattern. Oh, yeah.
Okay, that's so bizarre, man. Why? Okay, let me just go have a look at my YouTube channel. Hold on. Anyways, Craig, I'll hand it over to you in a sec. But basically, what I was going to conclude with after that beautiful just entry point there to the show, but what I was going to conclude with is obviously that, yeah, wait, these guys, are you guys watching? Yeah, these people are literally commenting on YouTube. But is that Craig's YouTube? Maybe it's Craig's YouTube.
No, I think, I'll see.
Is it glitching? Okay, what? This has never happened.
Welcome to the show, everyone.
It says it's live, but it's not. You're live, Greeny? Nish says. Yeah, what the hell, bro? I don't know.
Live.
It's not showing. Let me show you. Let me check the back end. The last point I wanted, the last point I wanted to say, Craig, is that Pal basically has come out and said that it's not. Yeah, it says upcoming on my side. That's so weird. Powell has come out and not dropped rates. So that's the big news overnight as well, which did see a huge pump and dump, or dump and pump, actually, in that order across NASDAQ, actually, in S&P. If we have a look, where is it? If we come have a look on really low time frames, look at what happened, Craig. It went, we dumped, and then we went exactly straight back and put in a new sort of high. So, like, this is what we wake up to, right? So I got stopped out in a few longs last night, not on ES, but on crypto. Crazy. And then we're back actually above like prices where we were last night. So I'm like, yeah, look, BTC's back at 117.5, and we dumped all the way down to this level, 115. So I got stopped out on a Solana long. Look at this horribleness.
I didn't realize Bitcoin pulled back to 115. Did it?
Yeah, during the middle of the night, Craig. During the middle of the night, mate, when we were asleep.
Oh, I did too.
Yeah, that would have been a good entry,
bro. That would have been a good entry. Real good.
Okay, chat. Well, it does say that you guys are live. I mean, wait, this is mine. You're live, Greeny. Oh, whoops.
Yeah, no, he was on my YouTube saying that.
So, what? I'm so confused. I don't know why it's not coming. Anyways, Craig, I'll hand it over to you, mate. What's your thoughts on the market? Obviously, after all those are your three most important charts at the moment, really. BTC dominance, total crypto market cap, and the dollar, or just the dollar.
Yeah, those are three things I look at as well. Particularly, the DXY and dominance. Those two I look at quite a lot. To me, that just looks like standard market movements, like tides of the ocean. So for me personally, this little pullback is not surprising. With the two bouncing, obviously dominance has bounced as well as the US dollars bounced a little bit as well. Obviously, they're just retesting above resistance now. So what was support, just retesting resistance. Hopefully it continues to break down. I suspect it will. I can't imagine the DXY will break above and send again, man. If it does, fuck.
Yeah, that'd be weird, eh?
It would not make a lot of sense, but I mean, hey, we can wait and see. But I mean, does this market movement? It's such a tricky time to call, huh? Because we could just grab sideways here for so long. Again, in fact, Bitcoin's kind of, how long have we been going sideways now? Since not long, bro. What's that? Since July, 11th of July. Is that right?
Yeah, we've been going. It's only been about 3 weeks, really. So, literally, I'm commenting on my YouTube. Okay, so I have no idea why it's not live.
So I just think this is typical market movement. I don't think there's anything to get distressed about here. In fact, I think what I'm looking for now is for the DXY to break back down and hit its head, and dominance to hopefully hit its head and break back down as well, or at least pull out a bit back to 60, etc. Just patience. I'm waiting to buy. I've been waiting for something, an entry on a lot of stuff. So obviously we were talking yesterday with abstract memes.
Mm-hmm.
I want entries on those. So it looks like we might get that, but they're not down that much, man. Like Guna's down 2.5%. Like
Mm-hmm.
I can't, like, that's nothing. It's almost the same as yesterday. Well, yeah, almost identical. So no, I don't think we need to panic. I think the cycle goes on. I think the fact there was rate cuts was not announced, and it pulled back slightly. Well, not slightly. It actually did dip quite significantly as far as just that wick goes back up. I think the show goes on, bro. I think if anything, that just shows there's confidence in the market. I think market makers, from what I can see, the show's not over.
Yeah.
And I think we continue up. And in between that's going to go, and if you draw a line, it's going to go like that. And I don't think we're done. I don't think we've seen the cycle top. And looks like the market wants higher, bro. Looks like the market wants higher. So
80% of the time, Craig, we do trend sideways, right? Like we consolidate and we go between ranges. So people need to understand that it's not up only, and it's only about 20% of the time in like BTC's history, right, that we actually see up only price action. And the other stat that I always go back to, Craig, how many days in a year? What percentage of days in the year does BTC actually go up consistently? Only 47% of the time. So less than every 2 days, guys, does BTC actually go up consistently. Apologies for YouTube. I don't know why it hasn't launched over there, but you can watch us on Abstract or on Twitter as well. I've just dropped those links in my chat on YouTube. So anyways, what are you interested here, Craig, in buying? Because obviously a lot of people, and we'll talk about abstract meme coins very shortly, but we want to start with majors and alts and stuff as well. What and GM to everyone tuning in, Levi, appreciate your content clips yesterday. Very much appreciate it. GM to you, Nick, as well. What are you interested in here, Craig? I know we obviously missed this dip literally to liquidity at about the 15th as well last night, so that would have been a nice juicy buy. But outside that, what tickles your fancy at this point of stage? I actually, and I'll talk about my decisions more recently as well.
Yeah, sure. So as far as majors go, I wouldn't mind a little bit more Bitcoin. But I say that every time on pullbacks on Bitcoin, don't I? I want a bit more. I actually bought some the other day again at 117. I'll probably, it's the same price now. I'm spewing I miss at 115, dude. But then I didn't have it set up. That's a lesson again there that I should have had it set up on exchange with a buy limit. So fair enough. As far as majors go, can I call Pengu a major?
Yeah, you could. I mean,
can I call Pengu a major? Yeah.
I mean, is it a top 100 asset now? I think it is. Yeah.
I think
I'd allow it if it is. I think it is.
I think it is. We're on a pretty big dip on Pengu. Look, I'm not really interested in.
Oh yeah, it's 44th, mate. Yeah, bro, that's a major.
Okay. I don't feel too dirty saying it. Pengu, I'm licking my lips. I just checked the chart now, bro. That's starting to look. Entry wise, I'm looking at about 3 cents, approximately, something around there. So I want a little bit deeper, seeing it break below that fib there. I'm hoping we continue lower. So Pengu, I'm interested in, obviously, mainly because of the bullish catalyst coming again, Q4. I saw a Luca interview today saying that, I think, is it Igloo or is it Pudgy Penguins itself? I'm not sure how that works. He's looking to make 40-50 million this year, in which a lot of that will be put back into buybacks. Look, use your clickbait, etc. But he's saying the right stuff. He's massaging the market in the right way. The guy says the right stuff. I love him as a CEO, bro. He's fucking class.
Yeah, he pumps your bags, mate.
He pumps my bags. So I love Luca now. I'm more in love than I've ever been. So yeah, Luca, let's go. But Pengu looks. I want shitloads of this, dude. To be honest, this and Bitcoin are my babies. Obviously, you and I have watched this for a long time. The reason why I say that as well is I kind of understand and not predict, it's a bad word, but I understand the Bitcoin chart a lot better than other charts, right?
Well, and it stems from there, right? Like, and people need to understand that. Like, if you want a said asset to do well, traditionally you need BTC to do well or to crab sideways.
That's right. So get to know, my advice for people is really get to know Bitcoin and how it moves. It's every coin's very, very different. It almost has a different language or a different way it kind of, dances, for lack of a better word. So, but Pengu, I like the way it moves as well. I kind of understand it quite well. I feel like I do. That can always change, guys. So, but I understand that. But Bitcoin and Pengu, I'm very keen on. Solana, would I want to go back in, bro? Let me just check it out. I haven't looked at Solana for fucking ages.
Well, I still have a long open actually as well from this. Oh my god, I have so many fibs on this. But yeah, from here actually. So I got stopped out on half my long last night, and then I also another trader in GTG opened a long a little bit lower. So yeah, I want to see it hold this 382 level. Otherwise, kind of like Pengu, it's going lower. So
yeah,
I know Eli's in the chat and he opened along at, I think he said 174. Let me check.
did he? Eli, hey, in the longs.
173. So I personally, if I was you, would probably have stop loss break even on that, because the low did actually go below that. It went to 170. So, which, I mean, yeah, we are closing today, but as you can see here, like this trend in itself could just play out now for a while. Like we could be in this descending wedge here for the next sort of couple of weeks, and we could do something like this all the way. And then like we might not see a breakout till halfway through August before the next leg up. So
quite a lot of the charts look like that as well.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, they all have similar structures, or at least
we could have months.
We actually could, and exactly right. Like we could have another 3-month period here, kind of like. And let's talk about this, because I literally, Craig, what did I say last week?
It's starting to feel a bit familiar.
Yeah, last week on the show, I took profits on Pengu. I sold 30 grand of Pengu. And what did I say? I say it looks like it wants to reject from its previous all-time high and do exactly what SPX did, and maybe not crash, but correct back to these fibs, and then it'll put its next leg in. Fast forward a week, what's it doing? Exactly what I said last week. So here's this just again. Okay, I'm going to bang on my sort of point about this. Is the reason I took profits is because we started to see big wicks, which were, well, I took profits from this. Many other people started to take profits, right? And this is what SPX did here, right? Where it rejected from its previous all-time high. It then consolidated. How long did this consolidate for? Let's have a look. A month. And then we saw a breakout high. We saw really nice sort of structure here. We obviously put in a higher low. We then started to put in higher highs here compared to all these highs. And then we actually got a break above. We got a retest at previous all-time high. And now we actually have a second retest. So this actually probably needs to hold here personally for this to continue high. But this is exactly what I think Pengu will do, right? It'll set a new all-time high. It just will take time. So I could easily, as you said, Craig, this could easily trend sideways like this for a while now. This could be, late August. So, I mean, I go overseas in September. So, I mean, I really hope that, I don't know. When I'm overseas, I really hope the market is just chill, but I don't know if it will be. So
maybe it's just gig ascending, and your wife's like, get the fuck off the computer.
We'll have to do streams. I don't know. I need to think about that. It'll be Europe afternoon. So it'll be Australian afternoons, Europe mornings is probably the best way to go about it, I'd say. So we'll have to have a think about that. And also, I'm staying with family and stuff like the majority of the time. So I'm just going to have to go, guys, I'm sitting in this room. You're just going to have to deal with me talking about this.
In this dark room. Also, Hype Hype Liquid.
Yes.
I'm sort of eyeing that up as well. The chart, once again, looks very similar to every other chart, bro, trending down, hitting its head. So I think I'm going to start to get entries in these. That's why I'm quite excited about this pullback, because you've been asking me what I'm going to buy, and I've been waiting.
Yeah.
Hype was one of them. Another one I wanted to check out was Sui.
Mm-hmm.
How's that going?
Just
I need to go on the weekly. I don't like the daily. It's too fucking.
Yeah, really. We actually got rejection from here. We got rejection from these highs, which but that's because, again, this is because BTC rates didn't come down. So people are like, oh, really? So so this is just stuff to always consider, guys, across the market. Like sometimes these do fake out. This is a fake out here. So you probably want to see sort of Sui hold this level, Craig, probably around this level. If it does break below this, it probably heads back towards 330, which is a bit of a correction. Would see us, another 10%. So I'm just looking at my spot back. Because I bought MOG last week because I thought it was going to break out. It broke out, and then it was also fake out. So I cut that position and only hold a small amount again. So I was looking for that real aggressive trade and that next leg up, but it didn't quite come. So same with Sui. Again, like, how do people know where to become interested? Swing low, swing high, look at where we're going. Okay. And where do we bounce exactly from? The swing 382, baby. So I mean, I could probably get rid of the 236. Where are you?
Probably another one I looked at, but I don't know if it's had its day in the sun, is XRP. I had bags in there. I sold some at near all-time high anyway. But just looking at the chart structure now, like, that was one I was interested in to get in at lows. But I just wonder if XRP's front run the cycle.
Yeah.
And it's a leader rather than a lagger. Other cycles, it's actually been a lagger. It was actually last to run. I think it was a 2017.
Yeah.
was last, was it? And it giga pumped. And then that was kind of the thing they were saying in 21. They're like, XRP always pumps last, and it just didn't pump that cycle, which is quite funny.
Yeah.
Well, not funny for my bags, but looking back, it's kind of funny. But now it has giga pumped.
Yeah.
I just wonder if this is now kind of done or not, or is it just going to continue on and show more strength?
Yeah, I absolutely nailed this. I made a shit ton of money on this trade.
Did you get those trades?
So yeah, I knew this chart, and I agree with your take, right? It was everything else had kind of pumped, but this had already pumped previously and was consolidating whilst everything else was legging up. And I positioned myself very nicely here, and I was like, no, this could be an absolute sender. Sure enough, it did. Took out the highs. We're now back below the highs. Where I maybe start to become interested is probably just the GP again. Give me between sort of the 2.8 and the 2.6 mark, and that's maybe where I become a little bit more interested in XRP again. Probably not for spot, but probably for maybe a potential long. We'll wait and see what happens over there.
But no, that's probably Pengu, Sui, hype or hyper.
Yeah, I think for me, if hype is like, I think Fibonacci's are just really nice levels. I really do. Like even just a 236 here, and this is from the low of April, where Hyperliquid is up like tremendously. It's still up 3.5x. So for me, I'm kind of like, look, I like the 236. I like the 382 if we get there. If we do pull back to the GP, oh my gosh, I'm probably happy to really accumulate there as well. But I don't know if we pull back that far. Like, I mean, if we do pull back that far, guys, across the market, like that, as you can see, that's the end of September. That's into October. So just be aware that we could actually see price action go sideways or consolidate for a while now. Like, and that would be healthy because we have front run. And I'll pull up this chart, which Farouk actually just replied as well. I've tweeted this out last night too. Essentially, like historically, oh my gosh, why is this reach? Get off. I don't want to promote it. I want to show you. Get off. I don't want to promote. Anyways, it says, oh my gosh, I can't even see it. There we go. Wake me up when September ends, because historically, August and September are two of the worst months for BTC returns. So if we have a look, the only other month where we do see negative returns or sub 1% is in June, which we actually just did outpace by 2%, the average. Now, if we have a look at August, historically, we actually see a medium of -8, and we see an average of 1.75% returns. In September, we have a negative month. It is the dominant month of the year of negative returns, which is good. That's when I'm traveling. So, hey, come on. That's good. That'll be good for me. 4% to the downside here. Now, some things to note. In the bull market years, August has been historically bullish. So 2021, which was the cycle top, August saw BTC go up 14%. In 2017, BTC went up 65% in that bull market year. Now, also in 2017, we had a bullish summer completely, 1, 2, 3 months. In 2021, we didn't have a bullish June, but we had a bullish July and a bullish August. So here we are coming into now the third month of winter here, but summer obviously in America. And what we're seeing is potentially maybe continuation of this trend where we do see at least positive returns in August. So I thought that was pretty fascinating, Craig. Because obviously that does show. And I mean, even 2013 was bullish as well during this period of time. So August historically in a bull market year is positively returned. So history repeating itself would suggest, if we go on theme, that we would still see a positive increase in this August. But September still remains only 1, 2, 3, 4 out of the past, 12 years have been green. So very much so the favor is September is not a good time. Hence why wake me up when September ends, baby. And I'll be knocking on that door in October. What do we think?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if we're going to get anything like 2017, right? 65%. Although, that'd be phenomenal.
No, I don't see that happening.
Yeah, I'll probably agree. Look, it's so tricky to say, but what do I think? I think, we could. I mean, August could be decent, and then September could see a little dump. So maybe we hold the line in August. We'll go up slightly. Do we go? No, I don't think we break all-time high at all, actually. No, forget I even said that. I don't think we do. I'm the same as you.
Until when? Until October?
Yeah, I think Q4. So I'm just going to keep taking nibbles. I'm just going to keep buying into Q4 and then sell Q4, Q1, 26. just nibbles. I'm just going to keep taking nibbles every time it rejects. I'm just going to keep buying, loading up. Probably buy some Bitcoin today, even maybe.
Farouk's comment was basically Feb was historically green and we got wrecked hard in Feb this year. So hoping this won't hold the same consistency as we've seen. So yeah, if we do have a look, February is very bullish historically for BTC. And we got absolutely wrecked this year in February. So I agree with this take. So yeah, I mean, this is like, again, you can't sell your soul and just go, yeah, okay, I'm going to exactly see what this is exactly what's going to happen, right? You do need to take a objective stance and be like, well, this is what stats and probability suggest. Thus, you can form a thesis around this. Then that's what we did at the start of the show. We looked at total crypto market cap. We said these are the levels to hold. We then go have a look at the US dollar. If we reject from that previous level, that support resistance zone, then yeah, okay, risk on assets could see a green August. If the dollar shows strength, then probably not. We probably do see a bit of a neutral or corrective August and September, guys. So chat, what's chat think?
I think we're due some red there, though, bro. We've had a long stretch.
We are due for red. Give us some pain. People are too bullish. People are too euphoric.
Because if it doesn't come now, man, it's going to come. It's somewhere in those last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. There's got to be a couple of blocks of red, man.
Yeah, Eli, I'll give you a 10th of the deal for Guna OTC, bro.
Same. Give me some OTC.
Should I sell everything? And I said, yeah, I'll give you a 10th of your deal for Guna OTC. Thanks.
Whales out there, if you're watching, if you've got some God, some Guna, and what else did I want?
SMP, maybe? I don't know.
SMP. Give me a shout out. I wouldn't mind some OTC action, guys. Some OTC action. And then I will shill till I bleed.
No, that's it. And I mean, like, we will pivot. We're getting there. We're starting on majors. We're starting on bigger memes, and then we'll go to abstract over on the side. So, outside that, yeah, I mean, like, if we do have a look, like, oh, Craig, I dropped a video 2 months ago saying altcoin season was coming, and I watched it back like 2 days ago, and I was like, oh my god, I literally nailed everything. I said ETH was going to outperform Solana and BTC. It dominated Solana. I said altcoins are about to probably pump. And BTC dominance was going to fall. And it was about 64, 65%. It dominated. Like, mate, it's just nice to be right. It's nice to find confluence in your analysis a couple months later.
It is. And sometimes it's good to go and reflect back on videos or posts you put up. I do that from time to time, just to check yourself.
Yeah, same. I think it's
you're wrong, sometimes you're right. But ones like that, where you hit it cleanly like that, especially altcoins, when a lot of people were saying, there won't be an alt season, you and I were sort of saying similar things, but not quite like that.
No.
It's more like, no, there will be an alt season, but it will be strong alts, which we're already seeing. It's already laid out almost.
Yeah.
Or it's playing out currently, or it has done with Solana. And now Ethereum, which we spoke about for a while. So, dude, we've been on the mark to about the week to, if not the day, well, maybe not the day, but the week. So, that was a great call. Ethereum, I was going to say, was one of the other majors I'm looking at, but it's looking quite strong. Well,
it is looking strong. It is looking strong.
Yeah.
I already have so much ETH based.
Yeah.
I probably don't need more.
Yeah, that's what I thought. For a second, I was like, oh, maybe I should look at ETH. And then I was like,
why? No, I don't need to worry about this. I'm already making stack of ETH, mate.
Yeah, I was like, look, this pudgy's gonna retire me. Don't worry about ETH.
So basically, Eli said he'll do OTC God at 25% the price, Craig. For you.
25%
increase.
Increase. Increase. Oh no, we get sold. Absolutely.
Bro, that might just cover you for slippage on that.
Yeah.
Cover you for slippage. Before we pivot, obviously, to abstract memes, any word on? Oh my god, I'm in USD. Any word on NFTs, Craig? Moonbirds 2.2, so they have held pretty much since the announcement. Little Pudgy's pretty much holding. Big Pudgy's down maybe about an ETH. Nakamogos are pumping. Why?
Pumped on a guy changing his PFP to him. Some rich guy.
How dumb is NFTs, bro? It's so dumb.
All it takes is a PFP change, eh? It's magnificent.
Ridiculous. So, I mean, everything's holding steady here. Is there an entry that you would see for Moonbirds, for Pudgies, or for Little Pudgies at all?
You're asking the right questions, dude. I want an OG Moonbird, and I've said that for a while. Part of me, I was looking at it yesterday. It was about 8K yesterday.
Mm-hmm. That's actually pretty good when you think about you.
I was just like, am I going to get fucked if I enter here? I do want one, and I do want one. This is the only NFT I'm kind of looking at, bro, that I just feel the upside on these could be pretty fucking good. And the downside, I'm so scared to say this to the universe, I'm so superstitious, but I think the R&R is good.
Yes.
I kind of want to feel a bit more pain on these. I
Yep.
kind of want people to get a bit more frustrated. I saw a little bit on the timeline yesterday with people saying, "Oh, that announcement was shit." But to be honest, for me,
I think it's pretty good.
I think that announcement was more of a tease of the future announcement, and I think that the closeness Spencer has with OpenSea and Luca, I think that was just a sign of things to come, and that I think that was a bit of foreplay for the big announcement.
I vibe with it. I do. Yeah. If you're connected to these juggernauts in the space,
Love them or hate them.
Exactly.
Have
we confirmed Spencer on the show next week or not?
No, I'm waiting for him to get back to me. I've just got to book I think he might have wanted tomorrow, but we've got Wendy O tomorrow, which is a big show in itself. So couldn't move the lovely Wendy O. But yes, I'm going to see about trying to get him on next week, hopefully US Thursday.
Okay, cool.
I think we've got him. It's just when. So shout out to Spencer for agreeing to jump on the show with us. Green United, that's gonna be sick, dude. So I probably need to buy one before we get him on the show, man. Because
you probably do actually. So I said 1.5 because I have two already. I have one at 2.4, which is the Queen one, which is kind of dope, and then I got one at 1.68. So so these two. So I have one listed at 5 East just because I was like, if we have a news pump or whatever happens, like if I'm asleep, if it sells, it sells, and then I hold this one for a bit higher. I would probably buy a third at 1.5 if we do see it great.
Yeah.
Not sure they go that far.
Yeah, do you think we'll get that?
Probably not. What's your entry price?
On my mythics? Oh, what would I like?
Yeah. Oh, what would you like for a Moonbird entry price?
Well, that's what. Yeah, I was just going to check the chart. As much as some people will laugh at that.
Well, no, it's the depth. I don't want the depth.
Is the chart on Magic Eden maybe better?
Here you go. Here's the chart. That's a nice chart. So yeah, I mean, if you pull back probably to 1.8, 1.75, probably a good area.
Yeah, just under 2, right? A little bit under 2. So I think I will take a punt. I think I will take a punt on these.
So big shout out to Abstract because I rotated some money off Abstract as profits and moved it, well, mainly paying you, but a few other things, and moved it over to this wallet to then buy a second Moonbird. So, I mean, I rotated out my rec guy too. Just again, they were so frothy. It made sense to probably take some profits off the table there. So, in saying that, rec is already pumping again. It's just absolutely nuts. But yeah, still lower high here. I literally said that yesterday on the show. So keep an eye on this lower high. Give me a bit of a pullback on rec, and I become very interested once again. Okay, well, that's NFTs. Let's pivot to Barry obviously minted over on Abstract, so we could briefly comment on that. They gave me a what do you call it? A honorary. I don't know if it's part of the actual collection or not. So these are all unrevealed. So floor is 0.02. What was can anybody tell me in chat what was the mint on these bad boys?
Well, these are the guys that did your honoraries.
Yeah, these are the ones that did that honorary way. Oh, I don't have my Abstract connected.
And they were so good too. They were good.
Let me connect my Abstract wallet real quick. They sent it to me a while back, actually. Here we go.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah. So yeah, I think this is separate. I'm gonna say, yeah, this is separate. So no one's listed that. Yeah, I mean, like there's huge. There's like these are really clean.
I get one, he must.
Yeah, Eli got one. Coffee. Abdi got one. Kicks. Yeah, heaps of big names. Obviously, Kamal, myself, Raj as well. Lorenzo, Becca, pretty much like, where's Craig's?
I know. I was going to say, shit, I must be the only person not on here looking at this list,
mate. And you even made it onto Breezes. We got to pull up the Breezes, the airplane thing that he did last night for Abstract Creators. It was
airplane thing.
Yeah, did you see it? Yeah, I'll share it. So Cigar, Hedge, Archer, Finn. So we got Team Moose as well, big creator. Pons, Skylar, Scarly, Lambo, even Lambo Land go on. Is he on Abstract? Is he building on Abstract? Wow, go on. ISO go on. Froggy go on. Totally. What? Oh no, that's totally on.
I was going to say, is that Solana totally?
No, not totally on abstract. OSF's one's clean, bro. I like that one.
That's real cool.
Dude, these are really good effort. I'm a big fan of this. Obviously, the mint was in the middle of the night, so I didn't mint.
I know. I
BOGO
like those, bro. Even though the team has not honored me. What's funny is they still will send me little reach outs and stuff, reach arounds. But no, I think they're sick. I wonder what the reveal will be like. I wonder if it'll dump. I mean,
what was price?
Yeah, that's what we need to figure out.
0.018 Craig was entry.
Oh yeah.
So people dumped him straight away for 0.02 profit, bro. What is the point? Seriously, why are you minting something to flip? You probably lost out on gas / slippage, right? And fees. Like, you literally probably lost money on that. Why mint if you're going to sell it straight away? It just makes no sense to me.
Probably not at that little. In fact, that first person sitting there bought the top and then is trying to get out.
I mean, if you bought the bottom here, you got a 2x nearly already. So
that's good. That's good.
So that's how you swing traded an NFT. You don't literally mint and then dump straight away into the first bibs they get in this sense. So that's crazy. So
how many in this collection?
There are 2.5K. That's pretty good.
Whoa, that's good too.
I like that. I like smaller collections. I like that. Only 159 listed, Craig. This might be. I don't know. I just like. I've taken a stance. Everyone already knows my stance. Like, I'm a big shout out to them for giving me honor. Oh, far out, man. Honorary. Yeah, thank you. Oh, far out, man. But dude, I just don't want to buy like the other PFPs that I bought, like Moonbirds and Pudgies. They're a trade, right? Like, I don't buy stuff to hold. I'm sorry, I just don't. I can't do that from tax purposes. Oh, dude, speaking of tax. My accountant sent me an email yesterday and said, Greeny, Abstract has some gambling things. And I didn't even think about it. He's like, we need to understand how to process these from a tax point of view. And I was like, oh, no, I messed up. Because like Moon Sheep, Death Fund, like Gacha, all those, like they're all gambling based apps. So that when it comes to accounting and tax, that completely different class. Oh my God. I didn't even think about it when I was doing it on Abstract. So now I'm cutting myself off from doing that. I'll just trade memes. So
gambling would be.
I don't know if it's
free.
Crypto. I don't know if it's crypto. I don't know if it's.
If you go to the casino and win, you don't pay tax.
Yeah. Sorry. Hold on. I might have to do a little bit of a Google.
I'm going to gamble way more.
I mean, maybe it's time to double down. Maybe it's the.
I mean, that's going to be tricky for the tax department to work out, man, because it's clearly gambling for me. Like there's no two ways about it. It's not crypto trading.
Yeah.
Like, in fact, it's possibly worse than gambling at the casino. I don't know.
If you win, okay, here we go. So if you win cryptocurrency from gambling in Australia, you don't pay tax on the winnings at the moment you win, but you may owe tax later depending on what you do with that crypto.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah, so but like this is the weird part, right? Like if I spend ETH that I have from crypto, I gamble it, the win I make on that, I don't like. So for example, Death Fund, where I'm up 0.6 ETH or whatever, I don't make money from that. But then if I use that money to buy a meme coin, which dude, I would hate to be my accountants. I would literally hate to be my accountants. That would be a taxable event because it's then me buying a meme coin again.
Yeah. Yeah, well, look, I think that's great news, Greeny. Tax-free, you heard it here first, folks. No jokes. Obviously, depending on where you live, get advice with your local accountant.
Yeah, so it becomes your cost base. So for example, you win $20,000 on BTC on an online poker casino, no tax when you receive it. That 20K becomes the cost base. If you sell later for 30,000, your capital gain is 10,000.
If you hold for 12 months, then it's a tax.
Yeah, if you hold for 12 months, it's 5,000.
This is going to be great fun.
And ramping up data matching, tapping into crypto exchange info. Yeah, interesting. I didn't even think about that. So, anyways,
how many people have used that to rinse or
to wash? No, but you
can't.
Oh no, but you can't. But you can't. It wouldn't be a taxable loss, right?
No.
Like if I've made money in this financial year from trading and whatnot, then if I gamble and lose, it's not a tax loss.
Yeah, you're right. It's like buying groceries or something.
Yeah.
So you're better off to get scammed with an NFT or something, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's how most of them are doing it, I think. So, yeah, well, that's interesting. Yeah. As far as this collection goes, I'm not going to buy pre-reveal. No way. I'll see what the collection goes. I wish them well, but I will wait. So am I right? These come with tokens. Is that what?
Yeah. So chat. Yeah, they're airdropping berry to minters. Bearish minters get 28K first 1,000. So if I buy, guys, so Gion or whoever, yeah, Eli's paying me out for the way I speak, guys. And so is Justin. Honor E is what someone said. So if they're airdropping berry to minters, bearish minters get 28K first 1,000 people. Oh wait.
Is that bad for the token though?
Yeah.
If you're a holder of
Yeah. So that's why they dumped it, bro. Dude, that's dumb. Come on, man. If you want some, guys, come on. My DMs are open. I can be an advisor. I will help you out with some tokenomics and understanding of how to launch something like this, right?
Just a simple 5%.
Dude, you can't be doing that. Like, you can't be saying minters will get it and then they dump and then they still get it. Dude, no.
They still get the tokens after they
I don't know. Can we clarify that, chat? Can we clarify that, please?
Damn, that was a mad hack if you could.
Dude, Eli.
How many tokens though? Like $1?
Eli, have you chatted to this team or someone? Okay. Crypto might be more degenerate than straight casino gambling. I mean, I went to the casino more recently as well, and they have removed the probability, right, of a lot of games, so it's now worse than it was. Wait, all minters get 8888. Yeah, see that's bro. So if I come in and buy secondary. So bearish team helped berry team create the NFT launch. Okay, well that's fair. But holders, yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. So minters get 8,888 tokens. Bearish holders get 28K. Okay. So no, if I did buy now, I'd get 28K of said token. Is that correct, chat? Is that correct? And so if you mint and hold, you get both. You get 8.8K plus 28, or is it just you get 28 because you're holding? Did Eli mint these? He got one. Oh, no, he got two. When was this mint? The mint was 3 a.m., man. It was 3 a.m. in the morning.
Horrible time.
Oh. Hold on. Dude, hold on. I'm just having a snoop. Oh, no, he minted 1, 2, 3, 4. He minted 4. Yeah, dude. Oh shit. Okay, and he's also been LPing, bro. I love. Dude, Abstract. Whilst a lot of people hate that wallets are public, I love that they're public. I'm such a snoop. Okay.
What's Eli saying?
I went to go. Oh no, we don't need to talk about crypto gambling. We don't need to talk about gambling. No, you don't. You didn't mint, so you don't get it at all. 20K for bearish plus 8K. No one thinks of us as Aussies. Oh, no one thinks of us Aussies. Yeah, Mitch, I couldn't agree more, mate. Yeah, okay. No, well, it looks like Craig. So so chat, basically, I can't buy this and get the tokens, correct? Like, to answer that question, I can't buy the NFT and get airdrop tokens because I did not mint it. I'm buying it secondary. I don't like that.
So if you mint, you have to hold to get the tokens?
Yeah, or you get to get 28K. Oh, no, wait. Sorry. Minters get, so Gion said, minters get 9K tokens, bearish holders get 28K. So that's the difference. So bearish holders
get 18 to 24.
Minters get 8K. Yeah. So, dude, that's a limitation. If I can't buy an NFT on secondary and qualify, okay, Eli says I wouldn't worry about it. Okay. Yeah. I mean, yeah, it sounds like that. Just buy if you want to buy. Yeah, well, I said that before. I probably wouldn't. Oh, yeah, it sounds like you'd be better holding the bearish NFT rather than the berries NFT. Yeah, fair.
Jesus, that's getting confusing.
Anyways, there we go. We finally got to the nut of it, guys. But we have seen a bit of a pullback across the day, bro. It is capitulation, Craig. Everyone's just absolutely losing it. The charts are dumping, man. Charts are dumping.
It's chaos out there, guys. It's 7%.
Chaos.
Yeah, it's a big pullback. Geez, if that was Solana, that would really be at 0.
Dude, Solana, Jeets, they're different breed, mate.
I mean, that's a pretty. What's that down? I can't read that number. 4%, 5, 6.
Yeah, over here 6%.
Yeah, so not even enough for me to dabble yet, man.
Yeah, it was a cool mint incentive. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's a cool mint when it's at 3 a.m. in the morning for Australians. Anyways,
did the token has it pulled back? Berry?
Which one?
Is it Berry?
No, it hasn't come. I don't think it's launched yet. Don't think it's
Oh, my bad. Oh.
Yeah. Okay. So let's have a quick look through the abstract memes. Abstar, I sold all my Abstar guys, as we discussed yesterday with Eli. Polly also a little bit of a top here, maybe potentially. Do I even hold any Polly anymore? Why are you yelling, bro? I don't know. Just I like to entertainment, you know.
S&P still strong,
dude. S&P, my goat. Send it to 5 mil. We'll talk about that shortly. Do I still own Polly? No, I sold it. I sold it into that pump.
I need S&P lower, man.
Let's have a look. Newt, I personally don't hold anymore because, again, like there's no incentives for the larger memes, really, unfortunately. This has been ranging this is a stable coin, just quietly. It's been ranging since 28th of February. It's literally, so that is 150 days of price actually in the same range. So GG's to the team. That's pretty good. Like that is a good thing. It at least hasn't gone to zero, but I personally don't hold any at this stage. No, Guna, have you bought a, no, oh, dude, it's just holding well. It's holding well. But what do people mean? The Guna's not even down. It's up. It's up 1%, and the rest of the market's correcting.
I know. Like I said, I was pretty disappointed when I woke up, saw the timeline in tatters, and I thought, "Fuck yeah, I'm going to go load up those 3 bags I spoke about." And then I went and looked at the charts, and like Guna, I couldn't buy. I looked at that, I was like, "No, that's not a buy." In fact, I bought lower yesterday, bro. Like,
and that's what Eli spoke about, right? Like I to double down on his point is, there's not enough traders. There's not enough people to be selling this. Like there's not enough liquidity to sell this. People want to hold for the incentive of XP, which was his point. And people aren't really going to dump this because they do think it's going to go up longer term. And I agree with that. But it's also the point that there's less liquidity on the chain. So thus it means there's less pressure to the downside, right? Mm-hmm. So yeah, I mean, yeah, big fan of the Guna. I mean, if we do see 5 mil, probably a really nice juicy entry there. Retzba as well, Craig. It's holding up pretty well. I mean, that could be the biggest dip you might get, mate.
Retzba there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Where is it?
Yeah, it's at the 236. It is at the 236.
I did buy, I think I bought some yesterday. Maybe I have to buy some more.
Bugs is in the chat. It's a good time to buy abstract meme coins. We don't provide financial advice on this show. Sorry, mate. We just look at charts and we just look at Fibonacci level. We draw some lines on some charts and we take some probability into our hands.
I'm going to buy some red spot.
Yeah, I don't mind that level. I really don't mind that level at all.
I'll wear it if it goes down low.
Yeah, I like that. It's a good hold too. I think from an XP standpoint as well, Craig.
That's why I'm doing this.
Same again with what's this bad boy? This is SMP, which I do hold. Now I'm in the camp. It's kind of the same again. It's just kind of now in a new range. Like it's range and then pumped. It's range and then pumped. So there's another little range there. So for me, I like this until eventually maybe the trend does break. Maybe there's your trend. So for me, I like this. I think, dude, this is a really good meme. There's some good people holding it. I wonder what the hold account is actually. Let me have a look. Guys, seriously, is anybody out there building a proper meme coin bot for abstract? Please, like to trade, to track token like bundles and blah blah blah. Please build something. Can I invest? I might even invest in that. You know. Okay, let's have a look. 620 holders, so still on the low side. Still on the low side there. But I don't mind this. Let's have a look. How much do the top 25 own? 59%. Yeah, still a little high. Top 10% own 42%. But I mean, they're probably whales that aren't going to sell, Craig. So let's look at when they bought. It's always good to do your analysis, guys. Do your analysis. These are some of the top wallets. Yeah, so they took a little bit of profits into it, and then they bought more. Odd. This person's smart, though. See, this is a good wallet, right? They bought early. They bought in small amounts, and then they only sell small amounts. Hey, I respect that wallet. Okay, I respect that wallet, right? Whereas someone that dumps, like just big dump with big slippage, no, I don't respect that. SMP looks pretty good here for continuation high, personally. I think this is a $5 to $10 million meme. In the future, just based purely on what we've talked about previously. Like it has SPX vibes, it has Harry Potter Obama Shinu vibes, which these things absolutely were just viral on Ethereum, Craig. It's bringing Ethereum people over. Yakuza and co. Like if abstract catches a beat of volume and interest, then SMP will literally probably be the one that most people go to, right? They might go to something like Guna because of the meme around it as a Pengu derivative. They might go to God because of the utility behind sort of dyslexic dog and that side of thing, and the team is very respectable. But from a meme point of view, they'll probably go to this over anything else. Wouldn't you agree with that? Like if you're a multi-chain trader, I trade memes on Abstract, on Sui, on Tron, on Base, on ETH, on Solana, not on Bitcoin, but most chains, and that's probably like what I'd say. Craig, what do you think?
I think this is what I think the Ethereum people will take to, and the Solana people will take to. This and Guna, I reckon, would be the two that they'd look at probably the closest. They're the kind of the coolest ones, not as quite as cutesy and dorky. So.
Yeah, and look, there's a place for cute. Don't get me wrong,
definitely.
But there's a place for the degenerates and the place for the memes, right? Memes are memes, okay?
They're important, yeah.
Yeah, like, sure, you can have narratives, but memes are memes. The memes that succeed over time are general memes, okay? Mog is a great example of culture, right? SMP really is in that category. Now, of course, like, just always, not financial advice, but always do your own research. But yeah, I think makes a lot of sense why that has outperformed really well. God looks pretty good here. Still consolidating at this high in this sort of... I don't know, like a consolidation flag, you could say. So, I mean, if the market does correct, then this probably does come down a bit. If it does maintain, then maybe we do continue higher. So keeping an eye on this. Historically, this sort of pattern for me is neither bearish nor bullish. So this is what we call a symmetrical triangle, which I have no probability of preference. Now, the one preference you can draw from this is usually it, like not usually, but the probability does favor continuation of the trend. So thus it's coming into it, it consolidates, it maybe is continuation of the trend, but it's not as bullish as some other continuation trend patterns, right? Like a bear flag. Okay. Sorry, a bull flag. That I would actually nearly rather see a bull flag like this or a bull wedge, right? Where you have something like this kind of form over time. They're what I love to see in chart structures for memes, because that shows me that is more likely that it's going to continue. Whereas a chart like this does show me that if we do break down from this, then, I mean, we could come back towards the 1.8 or the 1.42 sort of mark. And that's where I become interested again. Now, again, just a key point here, and why probably there haven't been a lot of builders on Memecoins, Craig. This has only had 60K of volume in the past 24 hours. And it is ranked 10th on the platform. So that's probably why people aren't too keen to build bots on Abstract just yet, because there's not enough volume for them to make revenue, and thus creators wouldn't really get much revenue as well.
Yeah, that's right. Chicken and the egg. We're gonna have to wait till a bit more volume comes until maybe we see a good bot. But the chain's gagging for it, so
yeah,
I'm keen, because I understand what their loot bot, what the buy and sell limits aren't working or something. Someone said.
Yeah, Looterbot. Yeah, you can't set stop loss and take profit. I've spoken to the team several times about that. I said, guys, that is a proper limitation of your bot. And they said, no, Greenie, we'll work on it. And then they never did. So
it's probably the main thing I'd look for.
Literally. And then
the only thing, otherwise I'll click buy and sell.
Yeah, otherwise I'll just hold it on my AGW, mate. I'll just hold it on my AGW. So that's God. Outside of that, nothing really tapping into. I want to see greater pullbacks before I look for it. I like to buy low. I don't buy big tops like this unless it's something that's you're early and you're in quite low, and it's early momentum, right? But yeah, I'm still staying patient. Big level for the deep hanger to hold. If it doesn't hold this, then we probably do come back to about the 410 mark, 415 mark as well. So yeah, Abstract. How much volume? It's down a little bit. It's down a couple mil in volume, but I mean, that's probably because the market has corrected a little bit over the past few days. So Abstract August starts tomorrow, chat. What do we think? What do we think, Craig? Abstract August, mate. What are we thinking across the market?
I don't know. What are they planning anything for it? Or is it?
I think it's the biggest news ever. No, I don't know.
No, that's what I heard. Finn said massive news coming. Something to do with Tesla. So yeah, hopefully it's positive. No, I don't know. They've been teasing Abstract August, but yeah, hopefully we get something. I don't know if that has anything to do with the pirate stuff they're trying to show at the moment or not. But hopefully they do something that pumps my bags, Greenie. That's what I'm something good for there. But no, I don't know, man. I just had a look before, and Big's up 25%. So Eli must be quite happy about that. It's one of the few that's in the green by a decent amount today in Abstract. So shout out to Eli. Your bags are 25% up today. And I think he's got quite large bags.
We did say that this is a bottom. We did look at this chart yesterday, and he said that is a bottom. I mean, that's a bottom. Like if I look at a chart and that's a bottom, well, it's a change in momentum, right? It's no longer a bleed. It's okay. Well, the sellers are exhausted. Buyers haven't really stepped in. No. Buyers step in officially when we break out of this. But this is showing us, at least for now, it's equal. It's neutral. Maybe we do get a little low time break here, and then what happens here is yet to be seen. So yeah, GG's to the big dog. He also said, "I'll pay Greeny to read chat more often." So I said, "Please tip, and I'll read chat more."
Yeah. Please be generous with your tipping.
Okay. But yeah, I'm just reading chat. Yeah, so the dev sold a heap on God. Yeah, the whales that kept God down finally out of full tokens. He sold millions of supply on every pump. I mean, that's the way to do it, at least. At least he's selling into the pump. But he made 27K, so good on him. But he was literally the reason why every pump came back down. Yeah, I mean,
that's the reason for every. That's the same reason. That's the reason for every dip down.
Exactly.
And it's also the reason for every pump up is them buying.
Yeah.
No, I think, I mean, looking at that God chart, that whale sold extremely responsibly.
Yeah, agreed. Very much agree. Yeah, it's not like we have huge, big wicks and those sorts of things.
But good to hear they are out, he or she. That is good. And maybe we see upside a little bit quicker. I do want some more of that. I did get a DM about some OTC, so maybe I will.
Oh, for God.
Yeah.
Oh, shit, dog. How much? Hold on, let's have a look.
I don't know how much they've got. We'll see.
Well, my DMs are open.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind a bit more of that. That and Guna.
How much do I own? Oh, no, I own quite a decent bag.
Yeah, probably SMP, Guna, Dog, and Retzba.
Yeah.
I am interested in some cheap coins that I will hold. If it's cheap enough, I'll grab a bunch of it and then hold.
Quick question for you and for chat.
Yeah.
Can I sell all this absolute garbage that gets sent to me?
Safely.
Like, can I do that on the portal safely? Like, I'm not going to get rugged if I sell some of these things. Like, I know it's not a lot, but it's just like, I hate that I can't hide an asset on my wallet. Like, I don't want, and I know why they send it to me, because then they're like, oh, Greeny bought some council. Hell no, I didn't buy that shit. No way would I buy that, right? So like, can I hide it / I don't want to burn it. I want to sell it. Like, hey, you're sending me money. I'm going to take the money.
Yeah, you're not going to just throw away.
But can I swap it on the platform? Like, can I swap this and not get rugged? Like, wasn't there like, I don't know. On Solana, it's fine, but like on ETH, I don't know. There used to be a thing where if you got sent tokens and it was a malicious contract address, you could get rugged on that wallet. So, chat, what do we think? Why sell it? It's a nice gesture. Because if someone comes to my wallet and they go, oh, this is Greeny's wallet. Oh, he owns council. It means that someone will go buy that, right? Like that's the negative side of a public wallet. But also, I don't want it to. I am a. Maybe this is just me, Craig. I'm a perfectionist. I hate seeing these little tiny things. Like even in my other wallets, trust me, I never have little tiny bags. I literally always try and keep it really clean. Like I'm perfectionism to a T. Like if you look at all these too, I'll generally try and keep it around very wholesome numbers, right?
Yeah.
Like 250K Pengu, 5 million, 2 million, 2 million, 775 or whatever it would have been. So like a 1.5 Cyclops, 1.7 C. Yeah, like I'm very perfectionism with my my processes in crypto as well. So yeah, chat, can I sell them and be fine? Like, is that okay? Okay. Wait, Gion, you sent me the council. Oh, bro, I apologize. I don't even mean, but
I've got some as well. I think he sent me some.
So
I never know if it's legit or not.
Just send, like, tell me why you sent it. If you're gonna send me a token, like, and I don't see it. It just pops up, and I'm like, I don't know who sent it. If you're gonna send me a token, at least send me a DM and say, hey, why you sent it to me?
What's that?
You're not buying fast. Yeah, I know, but like, if people like, I have say a big amount of transactions, people can't go back and verify that it's me. So. Okay, it's for XP. I mean, but I don't think it's a $5 meme coin. It's not going to give me a lot of XP, chat. It's not going to give me a lot of XP.
Never look a gift horse in the mouth.
I know, Craig. I really want 6 figures of XP.
Same. I actually I worked out that if I hit 70K XP a week from now, I will hit platinum 2 weeks before Q4.
Okay, so Gion said he DM'd me. I didn't see it. I'm sorry. So you did exactly what I asked you to,
Yeah,
mate. I
yeah,
apologize.
yeah.
I must have missed it.
Influencer, too
I
busy for
generally
the school
I
guys?
need a PA, Craig. I need a PA for every bloody notification I get every day. Because I
I
got like
I agree.
I
I need
wanna
to
I wanna come back to your platinum talk. Sorry to cut you off. There's what's it called over on Solana?
and it
Time fun.
swaps all the coins to something else?
Oh yeah, no, yeah. Oh yeah. A
There's
dust
something like that.
yeah,
And on
that'd be cool.
Ethereum, there's something like that too, I think
That
it
would be
was.
cool and abstract actually. Time.fun, I think it is over on Solana, Craig. Is like where you have like a level of like what you're worth for your time. And the
Oh, right.
guy, yeah, it's like I think Ansem and stuff's behind it. Here, let me try and yeah, here it is. So it's been around for a while, and I got a DM from the founder. I think, why can't I share the screen? There we go. I've got so basically you are valued at your time. So
Morris, that's brilliant.
so like
Oh,
Jakey's 60 cents per minute. Mert's obviously $2.60 a minute. I think Ansem was multiple dollars per minute at some stage. So you can go through and have a look at all these people. I don't even know half these people out here, right? But yeah, anyways, they DM me ages ago, and I just like my DMs get absolutely flooded that I lose track, right? Of like, here we go. So you can look at top creators. Wait, top creators. Okay, I wonder what I would be classed as.
And what is that, to book a phone call with these people?
I don't know how it actually works. You can trade them, I think. Yeah,
What's
here
it
you go.
called?
Discover verified creators across a variety of categories. Buy minutes of the creators you want to connect with or invest in. Connect your favorite creators through direct messages, group chats, or voice calls and videos calls. So I've again, I got a DM from the guy. I can't remember his name. Pedro, maybe. Yeah, Ansem's at $15 a minute. There you go. Which is nuts. So he sent me a DM ages ago, and then I replied today. I was like, mate, I'm so sorry. He sent a follow up because it then puts it back to the top, and I'm like, oh man, I'm so sorry. Like so many DMs, I didn't realize. And then he goes, this is exactly why you should be on our product, time.farm, because then you can actually get gauged. So I might try and sign up for this later today.
Maybe I need to too. Get my
I think that's a good idea. So, but yeah, so that'll be cool. Maybe I'll jump over there. Again, it's just another thing I have to worry about.
Hey, Dith's there.
It's Dith on there as well. Yeah.
14 cents a minute, guys. That's great value. That's great
good value. I mean, how much is that an hour? So,
or you could upgrade. Well, actually, I take that back. This may not be an upgrade depending on what you're into, but you can get Finn for 17 cents a minute, which is this is quite funny.
Oh yeah, I know. Gion. Okay, so Gion didn't DM me. He sent it to me. Yeah, I know, bro. But I didn't realize it got sent to me until I had a shit ton of transactions, and then I'm not scrolling just to see who sent me that. So I apologize. That's what I mean.
Get paid for your time.
Yeah. So he got sent 50K of Google, whatever, and it ended up being $350. Yeah, I mean, it's good, bro. It's good. I mean, yeah. Shout out to everyone who's contributing to other creators on the platform. It's lovely. I just want a bit like clarification. Otherwise, I'll probably sell it. Like,
here we go.
Like, okay. My reasoning for it is there's people out there that I know they're bad actors. They're bad actors. They'll be in your DM. They'll be commenting on my stuff saying, "Hey, check out this absolute degenerate low cap meme coin," because they want you and me and my community, all the viewers who watch us, to buy into said assets when I know exactly what they're doing. They probably sniped it or bundled it at launch. They're just trying to get Greenie, community, Craig, everyone involved, right? Us talking about it on the show, so it goes out to more people. And like I'm not part of that. I hate doing that, right? Like I want people to understand that it's like I look out for people that view our show and that tune in. Okay, I don't want to manipulate anything like that. So be careful out there. There's a lot of bad actors out there. Cool. Anything else we want to cover today, Craig? Been a banging show, mate. Time's flying. I want to say that I have de-risked a few things as well. I did sell some Kato. Actually, no. Did I sell it? I haven't sold it. I was bridging. That's what I was doing at the very start of the show. I need to bridge. There we go. I can now sell it. My thinking for it is I'm just a bit bearish on InfoFi.
Yeah, I am. I'm not. I haven't even really been looking at it at all. I've been signing for Kato in fucking ages.
I still average like X amount, like I don't know, 10 to 25 yaps sometimes per day, depending how viral I go. I don't know. I think I'm keen for Z to see how it goes. I am keen to Z, but frustratingly, it's the same bloody people on all these other info fire things that are literally on the fucking team. So sick.
Yeah, they've got it locked down, the
Fucking,
top
yeah,
100.
no, bro, it's the same bloody people again. So yeah. You know what I would like to see?
Yeah. Well,
I know that these people are maybe advisors, they're good creators, they're honest people. Don't get me wrong. I follow them. Some of them are my favorite people on the timeline. Give some smaller creators a go. Go and actually do a bit of research. Look at who's dominating far down the risk curve and actually maybe start there. That would be my suggestion. I'm not saying me. Like, there's way better people below even where I'm on the timeline, okay? But just go and, like, I don't know. I'm just sick of the same people doing the same things, running the same things. Behind the scenes, they're probably paid. Behind the scenes, they're probably invested, but they don't disclose that, okay? And then they're the top creators on this. They're the ones that get all the clout on the timeline. They get more followers from it, and it's just the same shit over and over and over again, Craig. Even though this is supposed to be signal over noise, which I do think it will be, it's still the same people who've been dominating the same leaderboards for many, many, many months. Okay, their professionalism's in that. Fair. Give some smaller creators a go. Give some smaller creators.
I agree. And speaking of that, time fun, Greenie, we're going to get on that and book some phone calls.
Yeah, and God, I better be worth dollars.
I'm a bit upset though. Your name can only be up to 10 characters long, and Craig's coin purse is longer than that.
Wait, are you already trying to set it up, Craig?
No, I already have. I'm in there, Craig CP, but I can't even put my full name. People aren't even going to know who I am.
Okay, I'll set mine up after the show today. I don't
know. I don't know if it's worth. I don't know what it is. I'll fuck around with it, but
yeah.
It's pay. Oh, you don't trade them. It's pay for DMs and calls. Oh, okay, cool. I don't know if I haven't heard anything about that, man. I don't know.
Yeah, I got the one DM, which I'll go double check what he said a while back. So yeah, big shout out to Pedro for reaching out. And he literally said, yeah, the irony is time.
All right, Pedro.
Hold that.
Pedro.
I need to have a look at that. So anyways, I will jump onto that. Chat, big show. They should onboard Eli. Well, Eli, you should get a DM, bro. I mean, they should onboard Eli. To the Z thing. Yes, I agree with that.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, they should.
They should be looking into people who've been creating content. I mean, like Badly Nasty. Literally, I looked on Abstract last night. Had like 80 viewers on his stream. Has it all the time. Play Away earlier today. Literally had like 60 viewers on his stream. Like,
that's pretty good numbers.
It's like if you're going to an ecosystem, rather than bringing the big creators and the coals from all the other bloody ecosystems in InfoFire, leaderboards, and blah, 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 you should go to the people who have been on this ecosystem for a while and at least give them some POV, at least give them some like moment of time, right? Of spotlight. Okay. And because maybe they're the ones that will probably shine and stay on the ecosystem longer than the people who you're probably trying to bring over, right? I don't know.
Yeah. Because obviously the typical thing to do is just bounce between one and the other, isn't it?
What do you think about what's it called? The new, is it Amiga?
Yeah, Amigo.
What do you think about that?
I don't know enough about it to comment really. I haven't even seen the platform, what it looks like. Have they teased features yet or anything like that?
Yeah, no, yeah. I know they're there. Okay, Eli's just saying, well, I think you're confused though. They will get the card. Everyone will get cards. Yeah, I know that. The people you saw were advisors. Yeah, I know they're advisors. Yeah. But again, that's exactly the point that I just made. Like, I want new people. I want new people, not the same people. Yeah, I know. No. Yeah. Eli, you're on the wrong point here. I know we all get our own cards. That's not the point I'm worried about or arguing about. Sorry. Yeah, Amiga. Are you keen for that?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm keen. I'm on.
Yeah, you dominated Friend Tech, bro.
Yeah, I didn't mind it. I applied for early access, but
yeah, same. I'd sent him. Wow, that was ages ago.
Yeah, it was ages ago. I just noticed. I'm like,
what's the website? Amigo. I'll go to their Twitter page.
I just went off it. It is amigo.cool. Oh, did you cop one of those pudgy Game Boys, Greenie?
No, it's $350 I saw or something, right?
Yeah.
No, I'm not much of a Game Boy. I literally haven't even been gaming lately, Craig. I haven't been gaming.
Greenie, you don't want to miss out. This could have a potential airdrop, and it's a wallet as well, hot wallet.
Wait, no way. Are they still? Can you send me a link or what?
It can be used as a wallet, Greenie.
No, Eli, you're missing my point. The people that announce are just the Coles advisors who experience the info fight. Yes, I'm aware of that, but I want them to also spotlight other people who maybe are lower on the tiers, who aren't just the same people at the top of these info fight. There's plenty of emerging characters that they could also go over.
There is. Versus just the Ansems, the Vos, the ISO beasts.
The bread guys. Like, it's literally the same people over and 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 over again. Literally on AVAX, on Base, on Solana, on Kato, on whatever.
Every chain, it's the same people. I'm like,
and sure, they are good because they're advisors. Sure, but give some other people a go. Give some other people a go.
What Greedy and I Base is saying is pay us, guys. I mean, too long didn't read. Just pay us, and we'll
no, yeah. I mean, I'm not saying pick me. I'm not saying pick me. It's just like, come on, man. Like,
I see GG responding to the allegations today, running a Dr. Phil type group.
What?
GG.
Yeah, what about her?
Responding.
I muted her so long ago. But
yeah. I'm not going into it. I'm just like, what slop. 1,600 people listening to that. Guys, that's how you get fucking rinsed listening.
Is she live right now?
Yeah.
Responding. Yeah.
Bro, the thing that kills me about this space is a group, a chat like that will get 1,600 people, and it's literally just a Jerry Springer fucking show. Responding to the allegations. It's all a load of bullshit.
Yeah.
They're all insider trading. It's clear as fucking day. She doesn't need to respond to the allegations. They're doing it, right? They're doing pump and dumps. Her and Jakey, clear as day.
Yeah, they've been for a long time.
So let's just address the elephant in the room and just move on with the trading. Don't respond to the allegations. Just keep doing your pump and dumps, man, until people work out what you're doing.
Yeah.
Shit, man. So shit.
Right,
I feel bad for new people.
Yeah, I do as well, because they do. And like, I put a tweet up yesterday about one of the biggest YouTubers in crypto Twitter, crypto YouTube is he's literally didn't speak about Solana or Cycle because it wasn't his bags, and it literally was one of the best opportunities to cycle. It's huge data. Hey,
how disingenuous!
It's horrific. It is actually toxic, man. I hate it. Right, here we go.
This is the Game Boy.
This is the Game Boy Penguin. That's too loud.
It's very loud. It shows no gameplay though.
Oh, damn, bro.
I faded. I was like, nah, dude, you needed to show me some gameplay. I'm not fucking.
So it's a device, another Solana device.
Next minute, I'll buy 5, eh?
Did you ever buy the phone?
Yeah.
Oh, you did buy the phone? The first one or the second one?
Yeah, the first.
Shit.
Yeah, I did about a 5x on that.
Oh.
I bought 2.
Dude, you nailed that. Actually, I think I remember we were talking about that way back.
They stopped support, but then they just released the second one and then stopped giving shit to the first. It's like, fuck, that's not right, man.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
That sucks. It's like,
I mean, you made a 5x, so yeah. So this is US too, so it'd be $500 Australian. This would be pretty dope. Not gonna lie.
Look, do we get a free one? Do we get a free one, Greenie, for being on the council for Australia? I mean,
yeah, actually, we should DM Ross about this.
Say, Ross, I heard this was part of our I can't say the word remuneration. How do you say that? I haven't said that in a long time. Do you know what, bro? Is this official Game Boy, though? I need to know that. Is this actually official?
I don't know.
Surely if they're using the name... Oh, no, they're not really using the name on there, though.
It looks just Solana and Pudgy Penguin.
Because if it was official, I'd almost cop it just for the notoriety, or not for the... I don't know what the word I'm looking for. Collector item of
How many are there then? But like...
I don't know, bro. I reckon there must be... I think they haven't even started production yet. I think they're waiting to see what the number is, and then they'll pump them out.
Interesting.
I see some people on there writing, I grabbed 10, I grabbed 100, but I'm sure they're full of shit.
As if you'd spend that. Why? I mean, if it's a rare edition, fair.
Oh, and can you pick the color of it?
I've never even been on this before. Oh, is this Solana merch? Oh, play Solana. Okay, it's just like some... Yeah, okay, I don't know.
I wonder if they'll get an airdrop.
I mean, they probably will. Solana loves airdrops. But this is Amigo. I applied as well, so I think I should be on this list. Is this verified creators who join the waitlist? Yeah. Where am I? Dude, there's so many people above me. Oh my God. Got to keep hustling. Oh my God, there's so many people. Wait, I'm not on the list.
Yeah, I don't think I'm on there either. I think this list is a...
Bro, what the hell?
I think they just slapped the top creators in there. Oh, you are there.
No, we are on there, but it hasn't updated.
Sickening.
It hasn't updated for ages, Eli. Look at us. We're like 2 peas in a pod, mate. I think he's got the little. He's got the edge of me at the moment.
It's so funny seeing your head on there. That's brilliant.
30. Yeah. So it hasn't updated for a long time. That's a couple months old. Oh, that's the bottom. I just made the cut. bottom.
Did you? You dirty dog. I'm not on there.
Let's go. I made the cut.
I'm bearish on that now. Hey, by the way, Moonbirds just did a great post. I think it's pretty funny. It says Burb has great genes, and it's got the owl or whatever, the head in the Sydney Sweeney fucking denim.
I did it. Yeah, I need to follow this page so I stay up to date.
You do. They're quite they're pretty on trend, bro. But that's quite well timed. That's good. That's pretty funny.
Right.
Great genes. I'm on this straight away. Yeah, I like that. Moonbirds, I like their main account. Their tweets are good.
Yeah, I love this. I mean, dude.
Their big sale today. What was that 20 ETH for that?
What's that?
Yeah.
What for this? This
for
one?
that mythic or not mythic.
No.
What was it? A rare fucking whatever that was.
Let's go have a look. Let's go have a look.
That there. Cosmic sale.
No, wait. Oh, to celebrate the other cosmic sale.
I think it's 19.9 ETH.
Wow.
Which is not a bad sale.
Suggest the top 5 potential memes on Abstract Chain. You have to go to GC Crypto on Twitter and watch us back. We spoke about them earlier. What am I looking for? Moonbirds. Here we go. Sales. Wait, where? Oh, up here. Oh, yeah. 19 ETH. Dude, that's clean.
Good to see a big sale, though.
Oh, dude, that's
cool.
That's a sick PFP. Just quiet.
No, I'm not game for 20 ETH, but I like that.
I mean, if you if you're buying an NFT like this for 76 grand, you better be worth 5 million minimum.
I think so. I think that this is probably more of a statement than anything.
Yeah.
Unless who is that?
Maybe he goes to flip it, but I don't know. They own, what else do they own? Oh my God. Have you seen the whole G-Funk and Beanie stuff? G-Funk is such a, don't get me started.
I've seen a little bit of it. Did G-Funk rip off?
He's just slow rugged over multiple years. I realize, like, they also had 7.5 rev share on all of their fees when I used to trade like their meta heroes there. It had one of the biggest potentials for this space was that whole Pixel Vault ecosystem, and it's just a fumble.
No way, bro. Colin, you know Colin Stew?
Yeah.
That was his Moonbird.
Oh, no way, Cole. This was
before ETH.
No, Cole. Yeah. Oh, no way. This was yours, bro. When did you sell this? Way back here. He sold this when? 8 months ago. No.
Fair enough. Though 8 months is a long time ago, bro. But
he held for 2.5 years.
That is so.
After yesterday's show with Kicks and his 280K NFT flip. Oh, Cole, man, I feel sorry for you, bro.
But at the same time, I've done this.
That's profit.
Pretty stock standard NFTs to see that because, bro,
I mean, that's a good sell when the price would have been 0.2 as a floor probably around this time, maybe a little bit.
Did he? Oh, you minted it, bro. Did you mint that?
Yeah, he minted it.
Colin, you made money, didn't you?
Yeah, he would have made money. Yeah.
Because what was mint?
Oh, it would have been 2.5 mint. I don't know. No, maybe not. Not in US unless he just held the ETH. Yeah.
Because ETH would have been down, wouldn't it?
Wow.
3 years ago. Oh, look, that's the way NFTs are, man. That's why they're so risky because you don't know when a new buyer's going to come in.
Dude, it's tough. It's a tough.
Like if you knew Spencer was coming on, you would have kept it. But as far as I was concerned, Moonbirds look fuck, man. Like I would have sold it too. I don't think that's a bad thing. But yeah, shucks, looking back, yeah, that's so. I like the fact I know you, Colin, and that was yours. That's quite funny. Colin's putting up a picture of just hitting his head with a fucking
Wait, is chat? What's going on? Are we dropping in and out? No, we're here. We haven't done anything. Are we dropping in and out, chat?
Oh, he got it for free because he was a proof holder.
Oh yeah, dude. I've spoken to Cole about this a few times. He held proof from like 1 ETH to 100 ETH or something, and then he didn't sell. I don't think he sold it at those highs. Remember when proof last cycle went up to like 120 ETH? They were worth more than anything, like for a period of time. It was nuts.
Okay, so well, I mean, you made 4 ETH for free.
Yeah, apparently we're both free. Like, dude, what is happening today on the stream? Apparently, he said we're both assuming what? I don't know. Been freezing? No, you guys have been freezing often. What? Dropping in and out, but it's good now. What? That's so weird. Like, it's fine on our end. Like, it's literally fine. I don't know what's going on today.
Yeah, I can't.
Me?
Maybe it might be the end. Is chat? Is it is it everybody seeing freeze, or is it just that one person? Because
I do not
you're good
own
on
the
mining,
house.
right?
I do not own my house. Allison said, "Do you remember when Nick went on Spaces and just went off at G-Fung about the planets? Nick was right again." Yeah, dude. Yeah, it was.
Did Nick smash him?
About the about the pixel vault planets and stuff. It was such, dude. It's just rug central in so many ways when you reflect on it. Yeah, yeah. Chanty's right. Not enough tippers. That's the issue. We need more inflow. We need more inflow.
Yeah, I need to upgrade to faster internet, guys. So the more tips you can get.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm on the fastest, and it's in Australia. It's still diabolical.
But we literally had it just happened again. It's literally fine on our side. Maybe it's an abstract thing. It will where.
Yeah, is that on abstract?
I mean, I'm not. I literally have as many things open as I normally would. So I don't know. Let me close some tabs then. I'll close some tabs. Freezing here in Bris Vegas. I'm not in Bris Vegas though. Now it's fine. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not doing anything dissimilar to what I would normally do. All right. Well,
might be solar flares.
Yeah, what's happening? I mean, there was the tsunami warning. So is that related? Is that anywhere? I hope everyone's all right. What's the update on the tsunami? Just quietly.
I don't know, man. Yesterday, everyone was freaking. Well, not freaking out, making jokes about it.
One eye, one vision. I don't know what you mean, guys. I don't know what you mean. What does that mean? Dude, I'm going up in viewership though. What? How can I be going up in viewership but down in quality? That doesn't make sense.
Yeah, you got 28 watching you, Greenie. You're the top dog.
It just went to 31, Craig.
Did it? Who have we got on?
I think it's the stream from Abstract. Yeah, I'm personally going to say it's the Abstract platform, not us, because on Restream it's actually fine over here, except it didn't load me the YouTube earlier, so I don't know what's going on over there. Starlink, no, bro, I don't have Starlink. I have TPG the dogs. They're not great either here in Australia.
There's no good internet.
No, internet in Australia is more difficult, guys. We are halfway around the world. Just don't forget, guys. Yeah, you know what? Maybe the waves are impacting us, even though they're nowhere near us. So, hold on. Let me just look up the tsunami update. We touch on everything on this show, guys.
Tsunamis, weather. Oh, hey, Dragma launched, yeah?
Oh, yeah. We didn't even speak about that. Right as I sold my hero. Have they pumped? Let's have a look.
I don't know, bro.
I mean, shout out to it. It's about time. I think it's a good timing. Good timing to launch that. So I like that. Let's have a look. Okay, so tomorrow the wait is over. Dragma is descending onto the on-chain hero universe. Prepare your heroes to face the mighty Dragma and earn exclusive rewards. Couple things here too, Craig. Do you remember? Guys. I'm not trying to be a fudder. I'm factual. I'm being objective. They teased creators at the start of the second season, Craig, and they said, "Oh, Craig, you have glitched. Craig, you're glitching."
Am I?
Yeah, Craig, you just glitched on Restream just then. Chat, is it Craig that's glitching, or is it both, or what? He literally he glitched again.
Okay, I'm glitching on there. I can see.
Yeah, you're glitching.
Oh, I am.
So I don't want to be rude, but they pitched that people could earn ETH. They pitched that people would earn Hero. They pitched that people would earn USDT. Is that finally coming with the rewards of Dragma, or was that just maybe a bit of a, hey, come play a game?
Yeah, that's right. I forgot that was even said. Yeah. Well, the market, I mean, they sold it for Bet Heroes. Actually, they're down 10% today.
Are they? So, yeah, dude. I feel sorry, man. I do feel sorry.
Hopefully, this new Dragma thing can lift it up with I don't know. I don't know what it's going to take. I don't have the answers.
I kind of pitched last week. They need to burn a heap of the supply or change something around the tokenomics of it all. So,
what's the market cap on that now?
Let's have a look at it. Let's do some analysis. And let's look at the.
Here it is.
Yeah, I sold my hero OTC. I also sold my. It's at 10, so it has actually come up a little bit. But no, dude, it's probably as bad as the big chart.
Yeah. They're similar, aren't they?
Like, is this
flatlined?
Is this the bottom?
Might be able to go up now, but
yeah. I don't know, man. I just didn't feel. I would much rather play Gigaverse more recently.
I agree.
So heroes have maintained around that 0.14. They've been there for a while now.
Yeah. I need them to go up, man.
Yeah, they have been down. They've been down only over the past month. So yeah, see, I I just thought about the downside risk, Greg, and I was like, there's too much downside risk with this. It was hyped. It was good. If you were early to season 1, you probably printed.
I
Season
think
2,
so.
if you got in early, you probably did well as well. For me personally, it just didn't seem like the ROI was there. So I sold my legendary weapon for 5.5. So I got pretty lucky with that sale just quietly. So
That's not bad.
yeah.
Yeah, I think for XP it was all right, but I must say it hasn't. Me using it over the last few weeks hasn't yielded a lot of XP, man.
Yeah.
So that was kind of the main reason for me getting it. So now I'm like, well, am I better off to flick my heroes and my weapons and all that and just go into memes hard?
Yeah.
Which is what you've done, I think.
Yeah. No, exactly. And dude, the timing of that was spot on, man. Spot on. And but hey, another trend. Let's go. Another one. I can add that to my arsenal as well. I need to keep the rap sheet, Craig.
Another trend. Oh, what's this? Oh, some armor. Look, hopefully this sort of stuff starts to stimulate people's curiosity and get them.
It probably needs to be more active, right? The game, rather than just being a passive game.
Yeah, like Gigaverse, where you actually had some sense of control. Or
there you go. Ends in 3 weeks, Greg. Actually, there you go.
Fuck.
Where are you on the leaderboard? Just quietly, I will log in and double check. Right.
I don't even know.
Haven't logged in for a while. Well, I was just thinking, right? Like everyone was dumping the token.
402. 402.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, 402.
Oh, this bloody verification.
Fuck, I better get some fat stimmy for that.
Wales, I think, what's his name? Woozy, who has quite a lot. He got maybe 20 grand of hero, but a lot of the whales just put it straight back into the ecosystem.
Yeah.
And there's not enough liquidity. There's literally only 40 liquidity K on the token. So the whales can't even dump their tokens, Greg. Yeah. That's why the rewards will have to be, I literally can't join. Is this because I don't own a hero or what?
Oh, maybe.
Can I not join the game if I don't own a hero? That can't be right. Error joining room.
Yeah, because what would your avatar be?
Oh.
Remember, it's one of your heroes.
So I can't even see. So I'm on the leaderboard. Okay, well, Craig, you're just going to have to look through the leaderboard, mate. I can't even log in.
Just click through 5,000.
I think, yeah. I mean, Thakani says, I think tomorrow Unchained Heroes will get people to FOMO. Man, I hope it wins. I hope it wins.
Me too. I still got 4 heroes. I'm still pumping away.
I think they will nail the incentives, and I think season 3 will come quicker. They will want one more season for TGE. Yeah, okay. So I can't log in unless I have a hero. Okay, cool. I mean,
I'm looking for you.
I'd be around the 200 to 250 mark is my last time I checked. But yeah, for 3 days only.
242.
242. I mean, I'm pretty happy with that. Pretty happy with that.
No heroes. That's so funny.
It doesn't say that.
Yeah, that's good.
Speed training event launches with Dragbar for 3 days only. Hero training cooldowns are reduced. Oh, okay, cool. Level up your squad. Yeah, I hope it cooks, man. I hope it cooks. Mythic weapons have been obtainable, but whispers in the realm say the remix is nearly at capacity. Yeah, so, I mean, if you want to get mythics, go for it. So maybe that's why people bought some legendaries to swap them into a mythic.
Ooh, abstract memes starting to pick up a bit.
Are they? Let's have a look.
A little bit. Just in the last hour, we're turning green.
Okay, cool.
Which is good to see. I actually think that we're going to see those pump again soon.
Dude, I think it's... Oh, dude.
That's why I'm loading up. I think they're going to send again. People going, oh, if only I bought that dip. Every time, eh?
Yeah, I like the shot.
Or I'll get DMs going, should I enter now at all-time high? Craig, should I buy? I'm like, fuck, man. Not now. Not now, sir.
Okay, here we go. Here's a bit of an update, guys, of what we all want to see. This is what the Russia earthquake tsunami live updates Chile. Shout out to the people in Chile. I actually went to Chile this year.
Did you?
Yeah, as a stopping point. Oh, wow. Is this... Oh, my God. Is this it? Of the current point. So, Australia, we should be fine, mate. You should be fine. We've got a big Great Barrier Reef protecting us from the north as well. But, yeah, wow. Isn't it just nuts out? Like, look how... You don't... Like, it is so far. So, this must be, like... I assume Japan's kind of up here. So, this... let's just say this is close to Japan. Dude, the fact... Japan to Chile. Guys, that is literally like, I wouldn't even know, Craig. That's probably like a 20-hour flight. That is
Yeah, it's
how
a long
far that
way.
is. And look how far these red waves go. 20-hour flight.
Imagine being a boat in the ocean around that purple spot. You'd be fucked,
and
man.
they call this the Ring of Fire, actually, because all of the volcanoes and stuff, or the dormant volcanoes in the ocean. So, yeah, I mean, also, Craig, the Pacific Islands, man, I feel sorry for people out there as well. They would
get
get
hammered.
all the time in the middle of nowhere. Beautiful places when they're summer.
I couldn't live there, man. That would stress me
It's
out.
so scary, man. It's so scary.
Yeah, not for me. Oh, Clemente, what's he shilling? One of the most insane post-mint runs I've seen in a very long time. Oh, this is those Chill House Soul NFTs. Yeah, I know a few group chats that got heavy into this.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
But one of those, you had to be in the group chats early to understand that what was going to happen. It was clear it was going to get swept and sent.
Okay.
But now you're like, but the problem is those group chats that did that, they're going to be selling now.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to enter that bad boy.
Is it a Solana NFT?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. How are ordinals going actually after our
pulled back? I think a little bit.
Oh, they have pulled back. My bags are down. Yeah, so BTC Puppet's basically just above break even, and my node's still up a bit. So I don't know. I didn't feel right. If it got to 0.1, I was tempted, but it didn't get to 0.1, Craig.
I think you'll get that exit. I think
just not yet.
Yeah, I think the next pump. I think we're gonna have to wait because I mean everything's kind of down at the moment. Yeah, I think they get a second. Almost definitely. That's still 0.044. Okay, that's good. 0.62. Yeah, I think they go again. Just gotta be patient, man. Just gotta be patient while Bitcoin fucking goes sideways / down a little bit.
Yeah.
Which is super boring for those people that just watching the show for the next hot tip. But my
hot tip, guys, is I'm not buying any of these charts at this stage. Really,
no, that's probably the best advice right now. I don't think we've gone low enough yet. I guess the long didn't readers wait.
Unless you see like something like this, right, where it just like it does maintain, and then like I don't know, like that's like Retzpa's maybe the one that has pulled back a little bit more.
Yeah,
at the 2-3. Yeah. So
Abster and Retzpa probably the two.
Yeah. Outside that, I'm not too interested. I mean, S&P does look good here for higher, just quietly. I do like this. What's happening here?
Yeah, they put another video today as well, I think.
Dude, that's good. I like that.
So I think the content's just it looks like they're gonna keep shipping. So as long as they do that shit, I'm in, man.
Yeah.
Anyone else want to shilling it?
So Tio says it's been the biggest earthquake since 2011. It came in at 8.7 magnitude. Wow, that's wild, man. Has it affected people? We don't get much. We haven't seen much coverage over here. So hopefully everyone's all right over in America and stuff, and Asia more probably. It came out of Asia, so hopefully everyone in Japan and stuff is fine.
S&P, man, that's the one.
Yeah, I agree. Weeks, thanks for the 31 Pengu legend. Appreciate it, mate. Appreciate it. NASDAQ futures up big with Meta and Microsoft reporting massive beats. Yeah, dude, they're dominating. Hopefully we continue high tomorrow. Yeah, I agree. I think if we do go back and we start we end where we started. Oh, dude, BTC's back at 118 already, Craig. Dude, I'm so mad, man, about getting stopped out overnight. I mean, it's bad of me to be in trades overnight when there's bloody FOMC. That's poor from me. I should know better. But yeah, it's disappointing because
115 would have been. I would have loved that for spot, man.
It is. I mean, maybe it's worth putting bids out. It really probably is seasoned on whether you're a longer, whether you're a shorter, whether you're a spot buyer. It's probably not worth. I mean, it's probably the season to be throwing out some bids because of events like that yesterday, where you never know. Like you might get a bit of a liquidation event or an FOMC news event, all those sorts of things. So the market is respondingly nice today. But I mean, BTC has been going sideways for a long time here. So if the next leg does come up, it's BTC that's going to lead it, right? And I suppose you can double down on that with BTC dominance showing a lot of strength. I mean, if we do take a look at altcoins too, you just go play the long game, guys. I've been talking about this chart for ages on BTC, on Twitter. If we have a look here, this is total 3. Like it's been grinding and grinding for a long time. And I do think that this does get back to 2 trillion. So that's still a very nice 2x move on your favorite alts and memes. So stay patient. Stay patient, stay patient, stay patient. These things take a lot of time. These things take a lot of time to play out. And I mean, but like this is a good example back here, right? Where it did break out above the high. Okay. And what did it do? It went on crazy. It went up. Yeah, it went up 2-3x from there. So just exercise patience, guys. That's probably the strategy that I talk the most about. Oh, I watched my latest YouTube video. I dropped an absolute banger. First new YouTube video. Shout out to a couple of boys who I'm working with now. They edited it for me. It looks so good, man.
I need to go check it out. I'm going to go check
it out. I actually pinned it to my profile, guys. So I pinned it to my profile, so you can come watch it. But it's a banger. Right, listen up. What I'm about to reveal over the next 12 minutes literally took me over 9 years to learn the hard way. I made every mistake you possibly can in crypto trading, from blowing up accounts to chasing pumps to getting wrecked with leverage. But these failures, that's it. That's all you get.
Yeah, that's the tease, guys.
That's the tease. Go watch it. It's pinned to my profile. Put a lot of effort into it, and shout out to the guys who I'm working with now for editing and stuff like that, because I was stuck with content. I didn't have the time to try and plan a whole video, all those sorts of things. So yeah, but big alpha, guys, literally 12 minutes of your life that will probably actually help you in crypto and trading. Okay, no bullshit, just actual strategies that will probably help you. Okay, and patience is one of them. There's a little bit of a sneak peek. I think it's number 4 from memory. So yeah, do tune in, go watch that. Craig, anything else we want to touch on today, mate, on the show?
Nah, probably not. Probably the main things are a big show tomorrow with Wendy O. Obviously, she's been around the crypto space a long time. Yes. We've got Spencer next week. We probably can announce our sponsor tomorrow.
Yeah, hopefully we'll be able to announce our sponsor we've been dealing with for a while. Just waiting on a few final little tiny things in the background. Just to make sure it's all sweet and good. But yeah, pumped to obviously finally announce that. Pretty cool to finally lock in someone, Craig, after nearly coming up on 2 years, mate. So
yeah, so that's great. But the main news for everyone watching is tomorrow, Wendy. I think that'll be a great chat. Pretty big woman in the space, been in crypto a fair amount of time. I'm sure we'll have a pretty unique story and just another voice, another person who's bullish on Bitcoin and has, she's been in the media for it. She's been one of those people that has pushed Bitcoin in the media. So I always, I've got to pay them respect. She's one of the OGs who were shilling Bitcoin on mainstream media when obviously the media kind of hated us. So respect to her for that. And I can't wait to get on the show, bro. And hopefully we can get Bitboy on one day, bro.
I mean, if she still knows him, that'd be pretty dope. But yeah, this is Wendy, one of the biggest, probably one of the most notable calls across YouTube and Twitter, probably for a long time. So yeah, there you go. That's she's coming on our show tomorrow. So she runs her own shows and stuff. As like huge column space. There you go. It was on literally ABC, bro.
which is not bad.
People. Yeah, look, that's not bad. Yeah, that's your rap sheet. Big shout out to Wendy for jumping on with us tomorrow. So that'll be a banging show. Just a different insight as well.
Completely should be different.
And Eli just gave us a little bit of a heads up that someone just clipped $5,000 into Cyclops. So I don't know. Let me check whose wallet it is. Snoopy Snoop. Wait. Oh my God. They bridged a shit ton of money. Okay, it ends in B7.
Into Cyclops, eh?
Yeah, let's look. Okay, we're going over there. Let's have a geezer. And let's have a look who it is. Oh, okay. Do we know this person? They hold big bags. Oh, they already hold $10,000 of Cyclops. Oh, they sold. So they sold. Oh no, they just bought. Oh my God, they bought Newt as well. They bought $6,000 in Newt.
Fuck, none of mine.
So they sold. Wait, USDC to USDCE. Okay, interesting. They've been providing liquidity, Eli. So this is interesting for you. They've been providing liquidity on Big and Abstar and Newt. I don't know how long ago, but that's a bit of insight for you. I saw you providing some LP as well. Have we got confirmation on LP XP yet? Because I would kind of froth that. I'd froth that a bit. So yeah, no, this is a bit of this wallet has about 40-50 grand. And yeah, they hold Abstar. They still hold another 16 fresh of USDC. Put it into SMP, baby. Put it into Guna. Put it into Redspa. Come on.
Yeah, fuck yeah. How much did you say they've got there on the side?
I've got 16 fresh liquid.
Yes. Just all in Guna, man. Send Guna. I love that coin.
Have you bought some yet, finally?
Yeah, I've got less than $1,000. I haven't got much. I've just been slowly buying in yeah, I need more. So probably I don't want them doing that. But I do want them doing that. Create some fireworks. We need something to go off. So yeah, I need more Guna. I need way more. I've only got $400 of it, so I need way more.
Oh, he's a big dude on X. Do you have his X, Eli? Jen is the GOAT. He makes music. Oh, okay, cool. He's an investor. Wait, I've just got two very polarizing things. He makes music or is an investment banker. They're two very different things. Wait. LP. Okay, yeah, no. LPs, no. Get by. No, wait. Sakani and wait. LPs get a buttload of XP. Finn said. When did he say this? When? Like as of the last 24 hours or something? Get in now before Dan. Is he still fine? Has he bought another one yet? Let's have a look. Fresh. I haven't bought anything for a bit. Interesting moves. He bought. What's this Abs XBT 2? I don't know about. Is it? Oh, it must have absolutely died. I think it did die. Okay. Yeah. Just to be honest, I do both. I make music and make crypto content. Yeah, I know, but investment banker and music is very different. His name is Dan 69420. Okay, let's have a look.
Great numbers.
Let's have a geezer at him. Oh, as in Dan nearby. Wait, what? No. Oh no. Okay, yeah, this guy. Okay, cool. Where's his music? I kind of want to. I'm gonna follow him.
He's got no profile photos. Is that him?
No, he's got Barry NFT as a profile photo. And he's got a Giga Chad as an abstract as his banner. Does he have music on his profile? Oh, he's been a big. Oh yeah, no, he. Oh, so he's a big holder as well. He's got black walls and stuff. Okay, dude, I want some of his tunes. He's been doing good with XP as well. Oh yeah, he's a big bull, man. Yeah, interesting. Cool. Yeah, I don't want to share. I'm not screen sharing. Yeah, I know. I just do my own.
Yeah.
He told me in my group chat like 4 days ago, bro. Where's the invite for this group chat, bro? Come on. Oh wait, is that the one we were in? I don't know, man. I'm in so many group chats. It gets a bit. I don't know which one to talk in. All right, Craig, let's end it there. We got 30 people watching on stream on Abstract. Appreciate the love, guys. Appreciate the tips. Thanks for tuning in. Big show. Thanks to chat for engaging with us. Also, we got over 1,080 followers as well across channels, but YouTube bugged me today, so I don't know what's going on there. Hopefully it's all G tomorrow. I'll double check that. Craig, big show for Thursday. We got Wendy tomorrow on Friday, so it'll be a good show to have someone a bit different on the show. Outside of like our normal CT sort of perspective. And yeah, let's see what the market does today. It looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Like Taco, what time's the stream tomorrow? We stream every day at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time America, or 9 a.m. if you're over here in Australia. Okay, 9 a.m. and 7 p.m. Eastern Standard is literally the same time, guys. So appreciate all the love in the chat. Appreciate all the tips and appreciate all the comments. Anything else you want to mention, Craig, before we bounce?
No, just thanks for the support, guys. Thanks for the viewership. Thanks for the tips. And we'll see you guys tomorrow with Wendy O, and I'm sure that'll be a banging show. So make sure you pull up for that one. It'll be a little bit different, I think. Yeah, agreed. And last comment, guys, join us in GTG if you want day-to-day access from us and other people. And we have a whole abstract channel in there as well. It's been absolutely cooking. Big shout out to there's so many people in there. I can't even mention like a couple. So there's so many people in there. So yeah, check it out. And dude, I got rugged. Dude, I'm sick of that. I literally spent $130 on this thing, and it's rugby now at what, hour and 45. Dude, I don't know what to do with this stupid camera. Oh my God. Can you not plug it directly in? I have. It's plugged into the wall now. It just must be the camera battery or some shit. I don't know. I have to have a look. Anyways, chat. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate your love. Thanks, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.